What's going on, guys? I'm out here at Imes, but I'm going to go first to the water snake pond because I'm hitting it up after work. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been a blistering hot day. Bluebird skies, as you can see. Some clouds, but this is the type of conditions that bring out those water snakes. So we're going to go down there and see if we can find some and what else we can get into today. And I'm bringing the GoPro, trying to mix it up and do some cool little shots. And yeah, it's going to be a fun vlog, so stick around. It's going to be a good one.
Had one. Got away. Ooh!
Alright guys, first herp of the day looks like a little green frog. Yeah, just poking his little head out. Seeing what's up. This little pond is packed full of frogs. I'm not seeing any others though. This is the only one, so. Good start. First 30 seconds. Alright guys, over here at the water snake pond, and I already found one. But then if you creep down here, looks like number 2. Just poking his little head out. Being creepy. And right here we have the body of one chilling out. Oh, I got a group of people coming. Hopefully they don't spook them all. So far that's 3. Wonder how many more are in here. There's a shot of the head of that body. The clip you guys just saw, and there's his head. Still only seeing 3 though. They're pretty though. They're just chilling. There is another little northern water snake for you guys. He's just cruising. It won't focus though. There we go. There he is. He is just cruising. But you done? Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. A little bit of swimming with the newts footage. First, I'm trying out that GoPro underwater. So, even though you guys just watched it, I've already watched it, now that I've edited it, you know. But I'm excited to go home and actually see what that turned out. If it turned out alright. I'm pretty sure it did. But now, I'm going to head up to the secret pond and post some stuff over there. And actually, now that we did that swim with the newts clip, I kind of want to throw the GoPro in the secret pond, see what's in there. Well guys, you can kind of see him as he slips away. That was a slimy salamander, and that's a herping fail. I know there were a few frogs that jumped in, but I don't know if you guys saw them or not. Hopefully you guys did. Hopefully the footage turned out okay. If it did, then I'm going to be doing that a lot more. Because if it's playing out how I have it in my head, then it's freaking amazing. Oh, let's go find some more spots to stick this GoPro and get cool footage. Oh guys, I've been looking around for a little bit, and all I've found so far over here on the tracks is this little cutie. Yep, this little cutie, this little fence lizard. Barely see him. It won't let me zoom in anymore apparently, but he's still pretty. Well guys, I have flipped and flipped and flipped and flipped. Nothing. I know, blows my mind. So, I'm gonna pack it up, head on to the house, and get to editing this stuff because it takes forever to compress this GoPro footage into a file that I can actually get into my video editing software to edit. Yeah, it takes a long time to do that. So, and I still have to work tomorrow in the morning, so I'm gonna go home, do that. You guys check out my other videos if you haven't already. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Let me know what you think about that GoPro footage underwater. And I reckon I'll see you guys tomorrow.